Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to create a split screen in CapCut PC. Start by adding your main clip. This is going to act as my main clip. Click plus. And now I want you to add the second video that you want to split the main video with as an overlay. You do that by simply clicking and dragging down here on the timeline and letting go. And now you can see when I just move this, we have two different videos on top of each other. This is obviously not ideal, so the next step is to select the overlay that we just added and now go down to mask and click horizontal. From here, we can rotate here to 90 degrees if I wanted to make this split. And besides this, you don't want to see only half the cat. So now you can take on this line, simply and drag it until you have the frame and picture that you want here. And now you can go back to basic and drag it like this. And now to move the other picture, we don't actually need to have the second part of the video. We can just drag it here. But if you want to, you can go through the same process again and click mask and click horizontal. Go 90 degrees. And now we can whiten it like so here. And now when I click play, you can see that we have two videos next to each other. And that is how you create a split screen in CapCut.